Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2020 Honda MSX125. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this Honda. It is a HPI clear, and it's only one owner from new. And just come with a spare key in the pack. So what we'll do, we'll start at the front, where we'll work all the way around the bike for you. It's in a, it's like a silver and black, and it's all in a matte finish. So you've got the LED headlight on the front. The crouch down a bit here, it's a bit small, this one. A really popular bike, these are. It's 125, so it is learner legal as well, with your CVT. It does have ABS brakes on it. We do call these the Grom, the Honda Grom. And look at the engine, they're very similar to the like the pit bike engines that you get. All the pit bikes copy this Honda engine. Get a good close look in there. Get a look across the side of the tank and the side of the seat and the side plastics. We'll get a look in at the rear shock and the chain and sprocket. Get a look at that back wheel as well. Let's get a look over the top of the seat as well and over the top of the tank. And let's get a look at it from the back. And we'll move around to the right hand side. As you can see, it's got removable baffle in there, just a little Allen key, Allen bolt in there. Take that out, you can remove the baffle, make the exhaust noiser if you want. This does have a Scorpion Red power exhaust on it. Let's get a look at the back wheel on this side. We'll get a look at the side plastics as well. That's got a good look all over the engine. At the bottom of the exhaust as well. Just move the bars that way so we can get a full look all over the tank. And we'll finish up on this front wheel at the right hand side. So what we'll do now, we'll go up to have a look at the dash and get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's have a look up at the controls. You get your front brake, your throttle, kill switch and your starter. And over to the other side, you've got your clutch, you've got your lights, indicators and your horn. It's also got the Oxford heated grips that have been fitted to this. So let's pop the dash on, see what the mileage is. And it's done 1,988 miles. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.